Right now I have Toyota Alphard. It has a problem with the horn. Look at the horn button. So the main horn is not working. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. I'm going to scan this vehicle. Yes. To see the main fault code. Okay. Read. The main fault code is B0100 and B0101. B0100 is short in driver scope circuit and we have open in driver scope circuit. So meaning the main fault code is spiral. I'm going to remove a spiral. Before you remove that spiral, make sure you align the wheels. The front wheels must be straight before you remove any steering. See? Okay, like that. After doing that, you need to go back to unscrew. We have torque spanner number 6. Then you remove airbag. Then we have number 19 nut. After that, you remove the steering. This is the spiral I'm talking about. So I'm going to replace that spiral with a new spiral, and before that I'm going to disconnect that switch because we don't need right now that switch. This is the old, this is the new. So I'm going to install that back like that. So I'm going to make sure all the sockets are intact. So I'm going to remove that switch. Right now it's useless. This is the switch. So after that I'm going to cover back. Yes. Like that. So you need to make sure all covers are intact like that. After that, so you need to count the spiral. If you want to count the spiral, make sure all of spiral rounds turn on the right hand side like that. After that, make sure the mark align. This is the mark here. So those two marks must align like that. After aligning the mark, you need to turn your spiral 2 times. On the left side, that's the first turn. This is the second turn, just like that. After that, you need to install the steering back. Yes, even right now the horn is working perfect. After that, you need to skewer with that, and it's number 19 nut. Airbag. The horn socket. So you need to make sure everything is intact. Just like that. Using a Allen key number 6. So I'll put ignition on. Yes, before you clear that code from the system, right now the airbag is working, even the horn is working perfect. You need to turn right and left around 3 times. So then go back and clear the fault code from the system. Yes, no fault code. Yes, just like that, everything's working perfect. No airbag in the dashboard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.